Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Could be DK sir. Once again, I hope everybody doing fine, right? So today's session, we are going to discuss very important topic regarding DDL and DML statement. Like in previous session, we already discussed about DDL and DML, right? So in DDL, you see create, alter, drop, truncate is still left because after inserting value, we are using the truncate, right? So today we are going to see. So we alter the table once we have to add the columns. If we forget, in that case, we alter. If we can add by mistake extraordinary columns, we can drop as well. That one we also cover up. We see the three methodologies how to insert the value in a table. As you can see, right? So we use the three mediums of how to insert the value in a table, right? First one, you have to insert the values individual. In second one, if you don't want to write insert into again and again, using comma separator, you can insert multiple value at the same time. Third one, you can specify the column how to insert the values, right? And which specific column you want to insert the value, so you can specify the column name as well. Okay. So that one in DML insert. Second one was update, how to update the value in a table. So you can update individual column in a table, you can update multiple column on the same ID, not different ID, okay? And how to delete the record from table, how to delete the individual record from table, right? Using the where clause, right? Then how to delete all the record from the table, that one you also see. Now today we are going to discuss guys very important topic. This is really very important question for interview expect as well. So let's see. So here the question, what is the difference between delete, drop and truncate? What delete does basically, what drop doing and what truncate doing, right? So see what is the invalid object name because I didn't select my database. So as I told you, once you open your file, first of all, you have to run this query use statement so that in current you can see which database you are working. So see DK, so DBA. Now command completed successfully. I can see my table now. Select hashtag from. Right. I want to insert the value once again in the table because I have to show the delete, drop and truncate once again. Press inserted the value. After then I will check. See. So today's session we are going to discuss what is the difference between delete, drop and truncate. Difference between delete, drop, delete, truncate and drop. Okay. So like I told you previous, using delete, like here you can see, you can delete the specific record from the table, right? Like here as you can see here, I can write delete from table name like employee details. Sorry. Using where clause, you can define where employee ID equals to 1. So one who I'm an existing, as you can see, I'm an employee. Run the query, one row affected, check the select statement. Select a statement, always we have to keep it down, okay? Always keep in mind, don't escape it. Paste it here. Select, see, one record whose ID is 1 has been deleted from my table. So next, so if you want to delete all the record, so you have to follow this query. I've already told you previous video. Truncate, truncate table name employee details. Okay. In truncate, we cannot use where clause. See, suppose I'm writing where employee ID equals to 2. I will get a error. See, In correct syntax, they are keyword where clause because where clause never work with the truncate. Okay, here I can write we can't use where clause with truncate. Okay, just for the reference I just mentioned, so you should remember truncate. With truncate, we cannot use the where clause. Where clause work with the delete. Truncate always delete all the record from the table. So see how to truncate the table. I just mentioned here how to truncate table. So truncate table, table name, employee details. So in truncate also guys, once you run this query, all the data will delete it from the table. Only table structure in name like delete, as you can see. But what the difference between delete and truncate? In delete, we can use the where clause and delete a specific record from the table, right? But in truncate, we cannot. Clear? In delete, as for the memory research, they find out delete is slower than truncate. Delete, once you use the delete command, so delete query is just give a response slow as per compared to the truncate because in truncate we cannot apply any condition, we cannot use any clause, right? We can use only where clause with the delete, not with the truncate. That was the main reason, right? To see truncate, delete all the record from the table, only table structure going to rename, right? Last query is how to drop table, how to drop the table or database in a specific. So simple, you have to write drop table, table name like employee details, as you can see. See, drop queries are very dangerous, as you can see. Drop query, you have to make sure once you want to drop the table, then you have to write this query. See, once I write the query, red signal showing here. See, if I put it comment, see, red signal has been gone. So see, this one, once you make sure, then you have to use, see, drop command completed successfully. Again, I use select command, see, invalid object name employee details. Did you see? So in drop, you cannot retrieve anything back. Okay, everything going to drop it out. Clear? So these are the difference between delete, drop, and truncate. So in delete, you can use the where clause, right? You can delete all the record from the table using delete from table name. In truncate, we cannot use where clause, and in drop, you have try simple drop table name. Okay, guys. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much. See you next.